Experiencing a black screen or no audio on your Tata Altroz Infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches. A black screen typically results from startup crashes or corrupted cache. No audio can be caused by audio codec failures or Bluetooth mismatches. First, try a soft reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear temporary data. Also, ensure your system is updated to the latest firmware version 2.8.5 as of July 2025. Check for updates in the infotainment menu or via the Tata Motors app. Outdated software is the primary culprit. Outdated software is the primary culprit. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset at a Tata service center might be necessary to reinstall the firmware. For no audio, ensure Bluetooth connections are stable and try different input sources like USB or aux. Tata Motors is increasingly focusing on over-the-air updates to address these issues, reducing reliance on physical recalls. Future trends point toward AI-driven diagnostics that can self-diagnose and fix common problems. Be aware of potential cybersecurity risks associated with outdated firmware. Keep your system updated with the latest security patches. Regularly updating your system is crucial for prevention.